Your question is, under which article of the Constitution it is the responsibility of the Indian government to protect states from external aggression and internal disturbance? Your options are A. Article 355, B. Article 356, C. Article 352, or D. Article 360. Right answer is A. Article 355. Your question is, the President of India may declare the national emergency if there is the threat of 1. External aggression, 2. Internal disturbances, 3. Armed rebellion, 4. Communal clashes. Select the correct answer from the code given below. Code. Your options are A. 1 and 2 only, B. 2 and 3 only, C. 3 and 4 only, or D. 1 and 3 only. Right answer is D. 1 and 3 only. External aggression and armed rebellion. Your question is, under Article 352 of the Constitution of India, an emergency can be declared if security of any part of India is threatened by 1. War, 2. External aggression, 3. Armed rebellion, 4. Internal disturbance. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. Codes. Your options are A. 1 and 2 only, B. 2, 3 and 4, C. 1, 2 and 3, or D. 1, 3 and 4. Right answer is C. 1, 2 and 3. War, external aggression and armed rebellion. Your question is, on which of the following dates President of India, using his powers, declared by proclamation that a grave emergency existed where the security of India was threatened by internal disturbance? Your options are A. 26 October 1962, B. 3 December 1971, C. 25 June 1975, or D. 26 June 1975. Right answer is C. 25 June 1975. Your question is, which one of the following cannot be ground for proclamation of emergency under the Constitution of India? Your options are A. War, B. External aggression, C. Armed rebellion, or D. Internal disturbance. Right answer is D. Internal disturbance. Your question is, the President can declare national emergency on the basis of. Your options are A. Armed rebellion, B. External aggression, C. War, or D. All above mentioned reasons. Right answer is D. All above mentioned reasons: armed rebellion, external aggression, and war. Your question is, according to which article national emergency may be declared by the President of India? Your options are A. Article 352, B. Article 370, C. Article 371, or D. Article 395. Right answer is A. Article 352. Your question is, under which of the following circumstances can the President declare emergency? 1. External aggression, 2. Internal disturbances, 3. Failure of the constitutional machinery in states, 4. Financial crisis. Choose the correct answer from the codes given below. Your options are A. 1, 2 and 3, B. 1, 3 and 4, C. 2, 3 and 4, or D. 1, 2 and 4. Right answer is B. 1, 3 and 4. External aggression, failure of the constitutional machinery in states, and financial crisis. Your question is, according to Article 352 of the Constitution, the national emergency can be declared in which among the following circumstances? Your options are A. The failure of the constitutional machinery, B. Invasion, C. Internal disturbance, or D. War, external aggression, or armed rebellion. Right answer is D. War, external aggression, or armed rebellion. Your question is, which one among the following pairs of articles relating to the fundamental rights cannot be suspended during the enforcement of emergency under Article 359 of the Indian Constitution? Your options are A. Articles 20 and 21, B. Articles 14 and 15, C. Articles 16 and 17, or D. Articles 24 and 25. Right answer is A. Articles 20 and 21.